Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color a cute dog.
Let's start drawing.
His eyes. Nose. And mouth with his tongue out. Let's draw his head. Then I draw his very long ears. Then I draw his body with his 4 legs. I finish it with his cute tail. I draw the ground covered with grass. Then I draw bushes on both sides. Finally, I draw the sun. Great!
Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring.
Let's color the doggy. I color the puppy's tongue with light red. I color the fur with this brown marker. For the rest of his furry skin, I use this tone. Finally, I colored the grass with green. Dark green. I colored the sun with yellow. Then I use orange and add some light blue in the background. Amazing! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.